Well, Bob, a little bit of a dreary day, but that was okay because we had so many other great days. So
and
no
it happened
complaints.
before the weekend too. It got over, and the weekend's looking really good. Warm too. I had the showers around this morning. A nice sunset. Norm Schimmel. Norm, that's right.
Norm.
Sending a Norm. This is a beautiful shot, isn't it? The nice orange colors there you see. Currently we have clear skies, but this was earlier. Just a sunset was occurring. This was in Venice Beach. Kathleen Brunt, who also sends a lot of photos in. Nice photo there. And Ward Watkins getting this one near the Venice High School. You can see some of that upper level turbulence with those clouds right there. And we are looking at a nice weekend, really. We're going to see generally fair conditions. So the problem will be some fog forming, it looks like, tomorrow morning, especially inland areas. Right now, it's not a problem because the winds are just a little bit too brisk to allow fog to form, but a beautiful sunset tonight with a great afterglow. You see right there from the Van Wezel webcam looking out over Sarasota Bay. Warm weekend ahead. We could see some record highs, low 90s, not out of the question over South Florida in the interior portion of the state away from the sea breeze. We're going to see upper 80s to near 90 degrees on Sunday. Even closer to the coast. That will be near record highs. More rain for next week. Good news. We're in a severe drought in some of the counties, in the interior counties in the viewing area. And with more rain on the way, that will help things out a little bit more. So we have a couple of days of at least a good chance for some more showers moving in next week. Right now, that rain well down to our south now, and it is diminishing as high pressure is building in from the northwest. And with that high pressure building in, it should keep skies generally sunny tomorrow. We'll see a few clouds in the morning as a result of that fog lifting, and that rainfall I mentioned is slowly winding down as it continues to push to the south and to the east toward the Keys. Currently at the Sarasota Bradenton Airport, it's 72. That's warm for this time, and 67 on the dew point. Winds are out of the west at 13. The pressure is on the rise, which is a good sign as high pressure builds in from the northwest for the weekend. Well, the high today warmed to 1 degree above average. The record high for this time of year in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. I mentioned those records could fall, especially on Sunday as winds turn more to the east, and that will have a tendency to warm things up. Our normal low at 59, this morning's low was a little bit above that. As far as rain goes, we saw some rain. Some areas getting over a ½ inch near Anna Maria Island, also down south of Venice. 0.28 of an inch of rainfall at the Ringling Museum. The Sarasota Bradenton Airport having some problems with their rain gauge right now, and the monthly total there just about an inch. The forecast for tomorrow, it looks good. We'll start off into the mid 60s. We'll quickly warm, upper 70s by noon and low 80s throughout the rest of the afternoon for the most part, and just a few clouds around. We'll mention fair skies tomorrow night too, and you'll see from the RPM forecast model, this is at 8 a.m. Notice it's depicting quite a bit of fog in the interior portion of our viewing area, maybe near the coast, but more so inland, and then that should be burning off around 11 o'clock. We'll see partly cloudy skies after that, and then maybe a few showers along the old frontal boundary down to our south. We are not anticipating any rainfall here, so it should stay dry on Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday, and then our chances for rain increase on Tuesday as the system starts to develop. Sunday, notice what happens. We'll start to see some inland storms developing along the sea breeze front as a result of temperatures reaching into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees there, and then that line of showers progressing toward the west. The rain chance is not all that high on Sunday. In fact, it's below 20%. But this is the storm system here that'll be gathering strength over the lower Mississippi Valley late Sunday and eventually bring us a chance for showers on Tuesday. Well, it's snowing in upstate New York right now, Vermont, New Hampshire, up into parts of Massachusetts. You can see some rain and snow mixed right there. It's been kind of a rainy, gloomy day throughout Pennsylvania and throughout New York and even into Ohio out west. This is the next storm. It's a cutoff low. It's spinning. It's bringing snowfall into Colorado right now and also into northern sections of New Mexico. Well, temperatures currently, it's 39 in Chicago, 40 in Cleveland, 48 in the nation's capital, a bit warmer in Dallas at 75. Looks good for boating tomorrow. Seas will be running right around 2 feet. There'll be a light chop out there and winds out of the northeast turning to the northwest at 5 to 10 knots. And the water temperature now at 74 degrees. Tides upcoming for Sarasota Bay. The next low tide will be at 9:57. A high tide will be at 3:35 tomorrow afternoon. Sunrise at 7:20. Fog developing. Otherwise, nice. 68 for a low tomorrow. Fog burns off. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. 82 for your high. The extended forecast. Warm on Sunday, and then still that way on Monday. Chance for showers and storms comes Tuesday, late Thursday, and into Friday.